This is English conversation practice for beginners.
And today, we are going to the supermarket.
Hello, hello! Welcome back to the Easy English Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Hey everyone, so happy you're here with us today.
If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is all about helping you speak English in real, everyday situations.
Yes, we don't teach boring grammar rules. We just talk like real people.
Exactly, like two friends having a conversation.
And you listen, you learn, and slowly your English gets better. Really, it works.
So today's topic is really useful. We are going to talk about English at the supermarket.
Going shopping, buying food, talking to people at the store. Very normal, everyday life.
And by the end of this video, you will be able to say common phrases at the supermarket in English with confidence.
That's the goal. Let's go.
Oh, before we start, one small thing.
Yes. Go ahead, Sarah.
If you like this kind of English practice, easy, natural, useful, just hit the subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps our channel.
And if you have a friend who is also learning English, share this video with them. Learn together. It's more fun.
Yes, and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to go shopping in English.
Okay, let's start. Time to go to the supermarket.
So, Mike, why is supermarket English important? Like, why are we talking about this today?
Good question. Because everyone goes to the supermarket, right?
Every week, sometimes every day.
Exactly. And when you live in an English-speaking country or when you travel, you need to understand signs, ask for help, talk to the cashier.
Yes, and sometimes it feels scary. You don't know the words, you don't know what to say.
Right. Like, where's the milk? How much is this? Do you have a bag?
Simple questions, but if you don't know the words in English, it can be stressful.
So today, we fix that.
We are going to teach you the real, useful English you need at the supermarket, step by step.
And we'll practice together, so stay with us. We'll do a full practice at the end, too.
Okay, so imagine you just arrived at the supermarket. You walk in. What's the first thing you might hear or say?
Well, sometimes a staff member is near the door. They might say, "Hello, can I help you?"
Yes, and a simple answer is, "No, thank you, I'm just looking."
I'm just looking. This is a very useful phrase. It means, I don't need help right now. I'm just walking around.
You can say this in a supermarket, a clothing shop, anywhere.
Let's say it again slowly. I'm just looking.
I'm just looking. Good. Now, if you do need help, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me, can you help me? Very polite, very natural.
Excuse me, we say when we want to get someone's attention. It's polite.
Yes, never just say, "Hey." Well, you can with friends, but in a shop, say, "Excuse me."
Right. So, I'm just looking when you don't need help. Excuse me, can you help me when you do need help?
Simple. Perfect. Let's keep going.
Okay, so now you're inside and you can't find something. What do you say?
This happens to me all the time. I can never find the butter.
Oh no. Okay, so the question is, where is the butter?
Where is the, and then you say the thing you need.
For example, where is the bread? Where is the milk? Where is the sugar?
And if it's more than one thing, like eggs, oranges, we say, where are the eggs?
Good point. Where is for one thing, where are for many things.
Where is the cheese? Cheese is one thing. Where are the bananas? Bananas, many.
Great. And the staff member might answer, "It's in aisle 3," or "It's on the left," or "Follow me, I'll show you."
Ooh, aisle. That's a new word maybe. A-I-S-L-E. Aisle.
An aisle is the long path between the shelves in a supermarket, like a small corridor.
Yes, so it's in aisle 3 means go to the third path between the shelves. You'll find it there.
Very useful. Let's say the whole thing together. Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's in aisle 2 on the right.
Perfect supermarket conversation. You can do this. Okay, now let's have some fun. We're walking through the supermarket and we're talking about food. What do you like, Mike?
Oh, I love this part. Okay. I love fruit. Mangoes, bananas, apples.
I love fruit. Great sentence. You can also say, I really like fruit.
I love is stronger. I really like is a little softer. Both are correct.
What about vegetables?
I like some vegetables, but not all of them.
Which ones don't you like?
Broccoli. I don't like broccoli. Sorry, broccoli fans.
Oh no, I love broccoli.
Really?
Yes. Okay, so this is a good lesson. You can use I love, I like, I don't like, or I hate to talk about food.
For example, I love chocolate. I like apples. I don't like onions. I hate spicy food if it's very strong.
You can say these sentences too. Think about your favorite food. Say it out loud right now. I love, fill in the blank.
Practice it. Say it in the comments later too. We want to know what you love to eat.
Stay with us. We'll practice all of this again at the end.
Okay, very important section now. Price, money, how much?
Yes, this is essential. If you want to know the price of something, you say, how much is this?
How much is this? Simple, short, very useful.
Or if you're holding something up, how much does this cost?
Both sentences mean the same thing. You can use either one.
The staff member might say, it's $2. It's $5.99. That means $5.99. It's on sale today. That means the price is lower than normal. Good news!
Oh, I love on sale.
Everyone does. You can also ask, is this on sale?
Is this on sale? Great question if you see a sign, but you're not sure.
And if something is too expensive, you can just say, oh, okay, thank you, and put it back. No problem.
Yes, you don't have to buy it. Just smile and say thank you.
Polite and easy. Okay, you found everything. Now it's time to pay. This is the checkout.
The checkout is where you go to pay for your things, usually at the front of the store.
The person at the checkout might say, did you find everything okay? Do you have a loyalty card? Would you like a bag?
Let's go through each one. Did you find everything okay? This is just a friendly question. You can say, yes, thank you. Or, actually, I couldn't find the butter.
Mike and the butter again.
It's a real problem.
Okay, do you have a loyalty card? A loyalty card is a special card from the supermarket. You use it to get discounts or points.
If you have one, say, yes, here you go. If you don't, just say, no, I don't, thank you.
Easy. And would you like a bag? Do you want a bag for your shopping?
Say, yes, please, or no, thank you. I have my own.
I have my own, meaning you brought a bag from home.
Very common now. Many people bring reusable bags. Good for the environment.
Then when you pay, you might say, can I pay by card? Or I'll pay cash.
By card means using a credit card or debit card. Cash means paper money or coins.
And at the end, the cashier will say, have a nice day, and you say,
You too, thank you.
perfect. So natural, so simple.
Okay, let's learn some important supermarket vocabulary. Just words, short and simple.
I'll say the word, Mike will use it in a sentence. Ready?
Ready.
Trolley, or in American English, cart.
I need a trolley. I'm buying a lot today.
Basket.
I only need a basket. I'm just buying 2 things.
Receipt.
Can I have a receipt, please? A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Queue, or in American English, line.
The queue is very long today. A queue is when people stand and wait in a line.
Shelf, or shelves.
The bread is on the top shelf.
Frozen food.
I love frozen food. It's easy and fast to cook.
Of course you do, Mike.
I'm a simple man.
Okay, quick tips now. Real advice for using this English.
Tip number 1. Keep it short. You don't need long sentences. Excuse me, where's the milk? Is perfect. You don't need more.
Tip 2. Smile and make eye contact. It helps communication even when your English isn't perfect yet.
Tip 3. If you don't understand something, say, sorry, can you repeat that please? Or, sorry, can you speak slowly?
This is so important. It's not embarrassing. It's very normal. People will help you.
Tip 4. Practice at home before you go. Say the phrases out loud. To yourself, to a friend, to your cat. It doesn't matter.
Your cat is a great listener.
The best.
And tip 5. Every time you go to the supermarket, try to use at least one English phrase. Just one. Small steps.
Small steps every day. That's how you get better. Slowly, slowly, and then one day, you're fluent.
Okay, we promised to practice at the end, so let's do it. We'll do a quick supermarket conversation from start to finish.
I'll be the customer. Sarah, you're the staff member.
Hello, can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
A moment later.
Actually, excuse me.
Yes?
Where are the eggs?
They're in aisle 4 on the left.
Thank you so much.
At the checkout. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. How much is this?
It's $3.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Back to normal. Beautiful. Perfect supermarket English.
And you can do this. All of these phrases, you learned them today.
Let's do a quick summary.
You learned how to ask for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
How to find things. Where is the milk? Where are the eggs?
How to talk about food. I love, I like, I don't like.
How to ask about price. How much is this?
How to pay. Can I pay by card? Have a nice day.
All of it. Real, useful, everyday English.
Now, your turn. We want you to practice in the comments.
It's easy. Just write one sentence from today's lesson. Or tell us, what do you love at the supermarket?
For example, you can write, I love mangoes. I don't like onions. Excuse me, where is the chocolate? Very important question.
So important.
Or write a short supermarket conversation in the comments. Practice makes perfect.
We read every comment. We love seeing your practice. So please, write something below. Any sentence. Don't be shy.
Your English is better than you think. Trust us.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Seriously, it means a lot. You chose to practice your English today. That's something to be proud of.
Every video you watch, every word you practice, you are getting better. Even when it doesn't feel like it, you are improving.
So keep going. Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself.
And we will be right here every day with a new video to help you.
Tomorrow is another great episode. We can't tell you the topic yet, but trust us, you're gonna love it. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.
We'll see you very soon. Until then,
keep speaking English.
keep practicing. And we'll see
you
you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.